We're at the NTA Work Truck Week in Indianapolis. It's really exciting this year. We have 5 of our go-to-market brands under one booth, and the team is doing a great job working together, collaborating. It's really exciting to see the Shyft family working as one. Yesterday we had a press conference and unveiled our new Class 5 crew cab, which is a Blue Arc EV product, and part of that Blue Arc ecosystem. The excitement around that vehicle, people in and out of it, looking at it, crawling all over it. I'm really excited to see our team leading in the EV space, especially with Blue Arc, and watching other competitors come and check out our product and try to catch up. In addition to the Class 5 that we have in the booth today, we do have our Class 3 ride and drive going on outside. Participation has been great. We also had celebration for Utilimaster's 50th year anniversary. The amazing attendance. It was really exciting to see people hang out and stay with us the entire time. We really enjoyed what they were doing at that event. And I just want to thank the Shyft team for all their hard work and bringing these vehicles here and spending time on the floor dealing with customers and dealers and talking to everybody that's interested in our trucks. It's been really exciting to see, and I just want to thank all of them.